Hello, my dear friends. Greetings to you. How are you? There is a gap. Friends, today's lesson is going to be speak Tamil easily, clearly, and confidently. And the subject today we will discuss about numbers, very easy and natural numbers. Friends, numbers basically we will focus on 1 to 10. Okay? 1. O-N-E 1. In literal Tamil, friends, it is Ondru. However, in spoken Tamil it is Onnu. Am I clear? Do you understand? You have any doubt, unique clarification you want? Kindly comment कीजिए. I will answer. Religiously, I will look into all comments and answer you, clarify all your doubts. So friends, we are going to see numbers from 1 to 10. 1, 2, this is spoken Tamil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay friends, is it okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Am I clear? You understand? Very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then friends, multiples of 10. 10, 10, 20, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100. Friends, 100 is 100. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay friends, I think I am very clear. You understand? Follow me. Kindly, any doubt is there or if it is satisfactory, then also you can comment me. I will answer your queries, friends. Wish you all the best. Happy learning.